Hey!
We are here! And there's so many people camped out. Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
So we're here, the back of the line. We're estimating there's probably about like 50 people here, something like that. But we are here. So, you excited?
So right now we're sitting in line, camping out tonight, hoping to get into the Conan show. I'm number 78, Amon's number 79, and so we're really praying. Yesterday only 53 people got in. So wish us luck.
And I'm already cold inside. I'm like snoozing, dazing, cuddling with myself.
It's like a yoga position. Hello, Comando. So
I wouldn't be friends with her.
4:15 in the morning. We're getting sleepy, and there's like 100, maybe 130 people here.
You guys have a good rapport.
They're setting up a tent right here. A sleepy man.
Where? That didn't work so well.
It's raining outside. It's like 5-something in the morning. And it's pretty cold. There's Amon. There's a whole bunch of people across the street. And here's what everybody looks like. Camped out there and camped out on this side. So these two people right over here decided to go and get some scrap paper towels at the gas station and lay it out on the floor so that they could sleep on it, but it's raining. So that was weird of me to do. So right now it's, what time is it? It's like 8:39, 9 o'clock in the morning. So we are going to find out soon if we at least got through this first round of things, and then we're going to have to come back at 3 o'clock to see if we actually got on the show. I love spontaneity.
That's funny song.
He broke his chair.
I got into a rage.
Around here, hold your place in line. Once you get one, you're free to go. Get out of the rain. You're going to come back at 3 o'clock. And we'll start ticketing based on how many seats we have. We'll finish at about 4:15. So you'll be here at least that long if you're going to get in, okay?
So, Lisa and I got our tickets. Well, these hold our place in line for the actual, for real handout later on. But we're excited, and we're driving home, and it is raining alpha cats and dogs.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's ridiculous.
She's tired.
I could literally just go like...
Now while you're driving, you can't. Open them eyeballs. 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 What are you looking at, guy?
You see that rainbow? Isn't that awesome?
I saw a rainbow, but it disappeared. Darn it, and I was so close to my pot of gold.